Morning, everybody. Well, it's about 5 degrees more than it was yesterday. So, no, wait a second, I apologize. I think that's right at 50 degrees. So, I guess that's 10 degrees higher than it was yesterday. So, that's good. It's 50 degrees. This is Friday, January the 3rd. It is approximately 10 o'clock a.m. Central Standard Time. Friday, January the 23rd. January the 3rd, not 23rd, 2025. This is just going to be a quickie because I am on my way to work. And so this is just going to be a quickie. I do not have time to film a very lengthy video about what Stephen is doing. I hear the propane heater. That loud noise is the propane heater. So Stephen, I'm about to leave. So can you just give me a brief rundown of what you're going to be working on today, all the action I'm going to be missing?
Well,
what are your plans for the day?
I was planning on doing the air dryer, but I've been messing around with this sensor for the past hour. I should have put it on before I put the air compressor on, but I was waiting for it to dry, and so because I was waiting on it to dry, I put the air compressor on, and anyhow, so now I'm trying to get it back on, and then I lost the bolt, so I spent an hour looking for a bolt. Now that I got a bolt, now I'm trying to fight to get it in there. So that's what I'm doing. Fighting with stuff that I shouldn't be fighting. Wasting time on stuff I shouldn't be wasting time.
Y'all hear that loud noise? That's the propane heater. Steven's got it up underneath his.
Instead of up here, the other way.
Oh, well then you're wasting your heat then.
Well, at least it's warming up the steel.
That's true.
No matter what I do, everything is in the way.
I know that I put up 2 very long videos yesterday, but this is not going to be one of those epic long videos at all. I'm in a time crunch to get out of the house, and this is the quandary that I face. I'm not going to be here to film Stephen, so when I get back, we'll have to get a review of what he has done.
A review. What he's done.
We'll have to get a review of what you've done when I get back.
What he's done.
But I do like to keep people informed, so if I could put up a very quick video before I leave the house.
Well, I'm dealing with stuff I shouldn't be dealing with right now.
I'm sorry. Well, I'll have to, Joy Boy is asleep on the couch. I guess I'll have to kick him out. Can't have him in the house all day. He won't want to come in tonight. Have you seen, there's Tober in the woods back there. Tober! I think he's got something. Oh, I think he's got a mouse or something. Come on, buddy. So, does this mean you have to take this off again?
I'm not taking it off.
Oh, you do not have to take it off.
I didn't say I didn't have to, but I'm not going to.
Okay. But your goal is to get up underneath the truck and work on the driveline today. That's your goal, right?
Well, I got to get the air compressor. I got to get the air compressor on, and when I get the air compressor on, then I will start up the truck. And I'm sure it will fight me about starting, because that's what it does. I still haven't replaced the cables on it, so therefore it shall be a battle. And then when I get it started, then I will soap down that air line to see if it is leaking. And if it isn't leaking, then I'll go ahead and get the drive line in. If it is leaking, then I will have to cut the pieces off the end of that air line and get a new air line built.
Okay. Alrighty. Alright, you all, so that is a quick update. I'm going to go show you. I think Tober's got a mouse. That's a quick update on Steven's end. When I get back today, I'll check in on him again. Now let's go see what our cat's got. Hey, buddy. Did you have a mouse? I thought you did. It looked like you did. Have you been hunting? Have you been hunting? You got to include the star of the show. I got to go kick your brother out of the house, because I'm going to be gone for several hours, and your daddy's out here working on the truck. So we can't have him in the house all day. He's not going to want to come in tonight. Isn't that right? Because y'all have a curfew, and you have to come in at night. You're a curfew cat. Don't want to get eaten by a coyote. So let's go get your brother and make sure he gets outside. Mr. Mouse Catcher, you. We love our kitties. Stars of the show. Stars of the show, they say. Hey, buddy. I got bad news for you. I'm going to have to wake you up and put you outside. I know you're warm and toasty in here, but Mama's got to go to work, and your daddy's outside. And if you're in the house all day, you're not going to want to be in tonight for curfew. So, sorry to disrupt your peaceful, warm, cozy spot, but your brother's waiting for you outside, buddy. Go catch a mouse. Go catch a rabbit. Have a good day and enjoying the cold, huh? Look at that sleepy look. Nope, gotta get you outside. Sorry about that, buddy. All right, come on. There you go. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, kitty cat. Go have fun. It's cold, but you can find a place to cozy on up to, because you're a curfew cat and you have to spend the night inside. Mr. Curfew Cat, your brother's out here. Ha! No, you're not going in. I just got your brother outside. I just got the brother outside. I had to kick him out of a nice warm house. I got him outside. No. Y'all are the curfew kitties. You have to spend your day outside. Sorry about that, buddy. You know you got food and water outside, okay? You know you do. You'll come in tonight, all right? Your brother's trying to get in. He's trying to get in. Y'all have to spend outside with Mr. Steven on the truck, okay? See you tonight inside the nice warm house. You take care of your brother today, all right? Take care of your brother. There's a beautiful October and beautiful Joy Boy. We love our kitties. All right, well, I just got the cat outside, so as soon as I get ready, I'm going to take off, and I will see you in a couple hours, all right? I love you, Steven. Hope that you are successful in what you have to do today. Love you.
Love too, Richard B.
All right, see you in a few hours.
All right.
Bye.
Bye. Ladies and gentlemen, have a good one. Have a wonderful day, wherever you are. Have lots of fun. God bless. I'm Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
There she is.
I'm Bumbles.
And together we are
Turn around. Together,
Big Belly
Belly
Bumbles.
Bumbles.